Hey guys, it's me. Today I just wanted to do a short video on growing a little lemon tree inside. I just randomly started collecting, I'm crazy, but collecting lemon seeds from just lemons I got at the grocery store because I was thinking, yeah, why not? Let's just try and grow stuff. And I didn't think it would work, but then it did. So, and it was like super easy and minimal effort, honestly, on my part. I mean, I tried, but like not that hard. So I thought, it'd be fun to kind of show you my little baby I made out of lemons. I don't know why I did a southern accent. It's not like lemons are a southern thing. I don't know what's happening. But, so this little guy I just grew from a lemon seed. And so far, so good. I mean, look at this little beauty. Look at that. Has a little new leaf growing. It even has a thorn, guys. Like, it's ready to defend itself from, critters and birds and stuff. It's like, don't you touch me. So it has 2 thorns already. I don't know if you can see it. That little... Of course, my camera's like, we're not going to autofocus for you, Mackenzie. We're not going to do that. Yeah, no autofocus. But basically all I had to do, I collected maybe 10 seeds from a lemon. I just cut it open and used the lemon, and then I just harvested, that's always such a weird word to me, I don't know why, but I harvested the seeds and I put them all in like a little cup of dirt, put it in the sun and kept it very wet for like 2 weeks, and then it started sprouting. I had like a few little seedlings, and a lot of them just were weaker. They just couldn't survive in the wilderness that is my windowsill. So they died, or I made them die. That sounds terrible, but I chose the strongest one. Let's just put it like that, put it nicely. I didn't kill anybody, okay? But this guy was definitely the strongest. And this guy is probably a few months old at this point. So honestly, the growth has kind of slowed. I think it's because it's putting a lot of energy into its roots. I know that's definitely a thing for plants. So he grew really tall, has 3 sets of leaves, almost 4. And I always call them he's. It's a plant. It's just a plant. But has 3 sets of leaves and 2 thorns. What a big guy, big thing, big plant. And so far, just yesterday, the top leaf was flopped over. I think because I wanted to put it in different soil because I was worried that it was too wet, because I had it in potting soil and I switched it out for a cactus mix. So it drained a little better and didn't hold as much moisture, because I know potting soil can kind of strangle a plant to death with water. So it's always a good idea to mix your potting soils. So the top leaf was like flopped over yesterday, and I was like, you better not die on me. Don't die. And this morning I woke up and the leaf was standing at attention. So I think that helped a lot. And I actually lowered, I don't know if you can see, I lowered the soil level as well, because I had it up to the rim before the soil level. And I lowered it because I wanted the lemon tree to not have to spread its roots as far. I didn't want it to put too much energy into its roots. I wanted it to kind of, have an even chance of putting on the leaves and the roots. So the roots right now, oh my God, do you see that? That's a root growing out of the bottom. Do you see that? Holy sh... I didn't even notice that. How sad is that? I literally just replanted this and the root is already coming out of the bottom? What? That was literally 2 days ago and it's already growing out of the pot. Great. Okay. Well, I think it's happier to be a little root brown, honestly, because that means it'll put more energy into the leaves. It'll stop trying so hard on the roots, and it'll start pushing more thorns and growth. I definitely have stabbed myself already on this frickin' thorn, and it's a baby. So a baby lemon tree is already beating me at life. Thanks, lemon tree. Thank you. But anyway, all I basically do for this guy is make sure that the soil is evenly moist. So I just feel the top of the soil, and if it seems very dry, then I'll soak it from the bottom. I'll put it in a pot of water and just wait until the top is moist. Then I'll take it out of the water, let it drain, and this guy needs full sun. Like I'm talking like 100% full sun. A lemon tree just will not survive without full sun. It's kind of like the avocado seeds that I'm growing. Just don't even try to grow it in low light. It really needs direct sun to get enough nutrition and everything to grow big and strong and push out thorns that'll stab you. That's what you want to see. So definitely make sure it has enough water, because they are very thirsty plants, because it's a tree, you know what I mean? Like, this is a tree. So they grow very aggressively and need a lot of water and a lot of nutrition. So make sure that you don't let it dry out, because it will die. So anyway, full sun. I have it directly in my windowsill here, in this cute little terracotta pot that I'm obsessed with. I'm obsessed with that terracotta pot. I saw it and I just grabbed like 2 of them and I ran out. I paid for them and then I ran out. I know that they suggest trimming it, or what do you call it? You know, trimming the top to make it, to promote branching and everything, but this guy's not nearly big enough to start doing that yet. If he gets too leggy or too tall, then I'll consider it. But right now I'm just letting it grow, and you know, I'm just loving it so much. Yeah, so lemons, man, very easy. I'm putting it back in his little home here. Direct sun, I can't emphasize that enough. Direct. All right, so that's the lemon tree. Definitely try it out. It's so easy. I barely did anything. I just made sure the soil was wet, and I honestly forgot about the seeds that I had planted, and then they just like popped out of the soil like that, and I was like, oh my god, I forgot about the lemons. Oh, I'm such a bad person. But this guy's pulling through and staying strong, so definitely give it a try. It's like a fun little thing, and if you have direct sun in your apartment, definitely give it a go, because it's so easy and cute. You have like a little tree that you can keep for like 100 years. Give it a whirl, guys, and good luck, and I hope this is helpful. And please just keep watching my videos if you like them, if you like me, if you don't like me but you like plants more than me, and you'll just put up with me for the plants. Cool, I'll take it. Thank you. Bye.